Hey guys, welcome back. This is what we have seen in the last video. Now let me remove all this stuff and get into a new code where we will see more about the text tags. Here let me have the usual coding format with the title and a h1 tag in the head. Here let me have an example of a e-commerce site to understand the usage of the tags more clearly. In our e-commerce site, let's assume that we have a device named X. Here let me use horizontal rule to differentiate. If a user needs to know the usage or what type of device it is, he can just hover over the title to know about it. For this purpose, you can use the tag define. This define carries an attribute named title, where you can add the details or definition of that particular tag. After saving this, you can note the change in the font of the X device. Now on hovering over this, you can see the definition. But the disadvantage over using this is that the user will not know that it contains a definition. To work on this, you can use another tag, abbreviation, which carries the same function as definition but with a change in font characteristics. After using the abbreviation tag, you can see the word with a dotted underline. Next, let's see a common thing which you have seen in many e-commerce sites during an offer period or some marketing strategy, where the original price will be striked out and an offer price will be there beside the original price. To strike the original price, place them within the delete tag, which gives you a striked output. Now let me place them within the bold tag, and next we have a tag insert. Let me use the tag near the original price and place the offer price within the insert tag. So that's it. Here you can see the price is striked out and the offer price is inserted beside the original price with the underline. Next, below this we usually have a link which says click the link to buy the product, right? Which means when we click the link, it takes us to a payment page. Now let's build it. Now the text has been placed within the heading tag. We have a tag named anchor tag, which is used to make text into hypertext. That means the text on clicking takes us to another web page. Here let me have the click to buy settings within the anchor tag. This anchor tag carries an attribute which takes a link of other web page. For this, use href, which means hypertext reference. Here let me use the link of Google web page for the demo purpose. Okay, now let me click the hypertext, and here you can see that it loads the Google web page. Similar to this, you would have seen mailing option in many sites that also uses the same anchor tag with hypertext reference as mail to, without spaces in between. Here let me show you how this works. Now once clicked, it redirects us to the mail. Now we are left with two more basic text tags, that is quote tag and italics tag, represented as Q and I respectively. Here let me show how it works. So that's it about the text tags in HTML. Now let's import all those tags we have learned until now in a single code and see the output. Now let me delete all these things and start with the formal HTML template. From the title and heading, it is evident that it is about some great scientist. Next, in the body section, let me have some information about them. Then here in the body section, we have a heading, Nikola Tesla, followed by a horizontal rule, and then within the paragraph tag, we have his name in bold tag. Moreover, we have used the abbreviation tag for AC, and I have used one of his famous quote within italics and quote tag. And all these informations were from Wikipedia, and hypertext is used there. After this, I have added two more scientists in this list by using the same tags used before. Hope you liked it. Hit like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.